berarti dia telurnya dulu pengennya gitu.
Iya,
Iya, oh oke. Di textbook, Naswa ingat nggak? Kita pernah nggak pakai if only atau I wish yang diikutin sama verb one? Udah nggak?
tidak.
Tidak. Pakainya verb 2 atau pakainya past simple atau
Sering.
atau pakai past perfect ya. Verb 3 ya, yang had plus verb 3. Ya kan? Ada lagi nggak yang di buku? Cuma dua itu. Past simple sama had verb 3. Yang di textbook cuma dua.
Iya.
Mm-mm. Nah, oke. Jadi, kita memang kalau di if only I wish itu kita nggak pakai simple present. Kenapa? Karena kita ngomonginnya tentang angan-angan. You know angan-angan? Like imagine.
Berbayang-bayang.
Ya, imagination. Conditional sentence type 2. Imagination. Nah, di sini kita pakai if only sama I wish. Kalau kita pengen merubah sesuatu di masa sekarang, otomatis yang kita rubah itu di masa lalunya dulu. Jadi masa lalu kita rubah, otomatis masa sekarangnya berubah. Paham tak? Paham tak? Oke, kayaknya Nasra masih bingung. Kita berarti ke yang kedua dulu, biar nanti ada gambaran. Di sini yang perlu Naswa ingat, kalau kita mau mengubah present, tenses yang kita pakai itu past simple. Kenapa? Karena di present yang kita ubah masa lalu dulu. Kita ubah baru masa sekarangnya bisa berubah. Oke? Diingat-ingat yang itu ya, statement itu ya. Kalau kita mau mengubah masa sekarang, kalau kita mau mengubah masa sekarang, berarti masa lalunya yang diubah. Makanya kita pakai past simple. Masa lalu berubah, otomatis masa sekarang juga berubah. Statement itu bisa dipahami?
Iya.
Oke. Nah, sekarang kita lihat yang kedua. If we want to talk about the past, regrets. Kalau kita menyesalnya itu tentang masa lalu, jadi yang pengen kita ubah ada di masa lalu. I regret something that happened or didn't happen. Jadi kalau kita menyesal, kenapa sih dulu nggak gini? Kenapa sih kemarin nggak gini? Gitu-gitu. Nah, di situ kita pakainya structures-nya if only atau I wish plus past perfect. Jadi dia lebih belakang lagi. Kalau tadi past simple, kalau kita pengen ngerubah masa lalu, berarti kita lebih belakang lagi tensesnya. Pakainya past perfect. Gitu. Sekarang udah ada gambaran belum?
Sudah gambar.
Udah gambar. Oke. Sekarang coba examples. I wish.
Wish I had studied harder for the test.
Berarti dia tesnya kira-kira do you feel he failed or succeeded?
Well,
Failed. He failed the test. Okay. Terus number two. If only.
if only we had left earlier, we wouldn't be late.
Okay. So it means he he was late or not?
He late.
Yeah, he was late. Right. He was late. Terakhir, I wish.
I wish I hadn't eaten so much cake.
Berarti he had eaten.
Berarti I had eaten so much cake.
Iya, he had eaten so much cakes. Nah, di sini past perfect, karena past perfect, jadi pakainya had pas. Karena perfect, diikutin verb 3. Kalau yang struktur ini udah paham ya?
Ah.
Had plus verb 3. Kalau negative sentence berarti hadn't. Plus verb 3 juga. Oke. Karena udah ada gambaran, kita lanjutin satu lagi. Kalau tadi kan dua, if we want to talk about regrets. Penyesalan di masa sekarang sama penyesalan di masa lalu. Sekarang, kalau kita mau ngomongin tentang future, masa depan, desire, what we want to change in the future. Apa yang pengen kita ubah di masa depan. Nah, di sini strukturnya bisa pakai I wish plus would plus verb one. Contohnya, coba dibaca sama Nasma. I wish.
Wish you would help me with my homework.
Oke. Kalau gini kalimatnya, have I helped you with your homework? Have
No,
I
you
helped you?
haven't.
Not yet, betul. Terus contoh kedua, I wish.
Wish it would stop raining.
Okay. How about now? Is it still raining?
Yes.
Yes, good. Terakhir, I wish.
I wish my brother would stop playing games so loudly.
So, I wish my brother would stop playing games so loudly. Berarti selama ini, at the present, does my brother played games loudly?
Apa?
Now, at the present, does my brother play games loudly?
Yes.
Yes. Gitu. Jadi ada tiga tadi. Yang pertama tadi pakainya apa? Kalau kita mau mengubah masa sekarang, kita pakainya tensesnya I wish of or if only plus tenses
Then she's verb two.
verb to past simple. Kalau yang mau kita ubah masa lalu, yang kita pakai I wish atau if only tensesnya
Tensesnya apa ya?
apa tadi? Tensesnya apa? Tensesnya
Lupa.
tensesnya yang lebih belakang dari past simple. Past,
Past perfect.
ya, bentar. Past perfect itu pakai verb,
Two.
verb,
Apa ya?
verb three. Had plus verb three. Terus kalau kita mau mengubah masa depan, we want to change the future. Kita pakainya
Verb one.
verb one sebelumnya ada would. Pakai would dulu ya. Would
Iya.
plus verb one. Okay, nice, good. Nah, ini table comparison-nya. Situation-nya. Kalau situation-nya di sekarang yang mau kita ubah, kita pakainya past simple. If only atau I wish pakai past simple. Contohnya, I wish I knew the answer. Terus kalau situation-nya regret, past, kita menyesali masa lalu, kita pakainya if only I wish plus past perfect. Had plus verb 3. If only I had studied more. Kalau future desire, I wish plus would plus verb. Contohnya, dua aja sama Naswa.
I wish you would listen to me.
Betul. Oke, sampai sini ada yang ditanyakan dulu nggak?
Enggak ada tapi, Miss.
Baik, paham?
Paham.
Oke, kita coba cek deh. Practice sentences. Fill in the blanks. Nomor satu udah jadi contoh tuh. I wish I were taller. Nomor dua, if only I bla 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 study harder last month.
If only I had studied.
If only I.
If only I had studied.
Oke, if only I had studied harder last night. Oke, terus yang ketiga,
I wish it would stop raining soon.
good. Keempat,
If only we had lived
we
and
had
left
left earlier.
earlier, it wouldn't be late.
Oke, terakhir, I wish.
I wish my friend would help me with my homework.
Betul, nice, betul semua. This is the answers. Good.